This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the glove box, starting with the lower mounting screws. Open the glove box to allow access to the upper screws, then remove them. Pull the glove box out enough to disconnect the electrical connector, then remove the glove box. Remove the old cabin air filter by moving the filter upwards to release the bottom tab. Then push the top of the filter element downwards while sliding it out toward the passenger side. Install the new cabin air filter. Secure the bottom tab and make sure everything locks evenly into place. Insert the glove box and connect the electrical connector. Install the glove box mounting screws and tighten them securely.